since I couldn't find a video on how to replace this AC compressor on 2012 Maxima, I decided I would make one. Them two bolts right there are 14. Better take this small one out. Right here too, give you better access. You better pull the compressor out this way. Take these out. Take this line out of here. You come up under here. You got a bolt right there. One right here. It's a 14. The other one up there is a 14. Might have to do it with a ratchet wrench. That's the only way I could get to them. And then the two lines, as you can see, one of them is right there on the back side, and then the other one you can reach from right here. And those are 10mm bolts on those lines. So once you take that one off, and then you take that one back there off, and then you can reach up in here and undo the plug, and then the compressor slides straight out of here. Don't forget to take the belt off. That's the belt tensioner right there. That's a 13. No. Yeah, 13. And then you just do everything in reverse to put it back on. Probably take about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do.